A lot of highly sophisticated mobile multipurpose heavy machinery is used in forestry operations. Much of it is dedicated to harvesting and transporting timber. There's another category of equipment that's often required by forestry operations, and that's the group of machines used for sand and gravel pit operations and for road construction and maintenance. Whatever their use, all of these high-output, high-horsepower machines are sure to be rugged, often with heavy lift and load capacity, powerful tracked and wheel traction capability, high-speed hydraulics, and ergonomically designed cabin operating controls. Operators of these complicated and expensive machines must have the knowledge, skill, and demonstrated capability to get the most out of the equipment and to do it safely. That takes training to a high level of professionalism, and that's what this training is all about. Once you're completed the program, you'll have the basic knowledge you need to safely operate mechanical harvesting or forestry pit and road construction equipment. If you are a forestry worker engaged in harvesting, pit operations, or on-road construction as part of logging operations, this program is for you. Your training program includes 16 units. Introduction, Operator Machine Working Environment, PPE and Machine Safety, Circle Check and Startup, Lockout, Routine Maintenance, Danger Zone, Working Safely in Forestry Pits, Rigging and Hoisting, Hoisting Equipment, Rigging and Towing, Shutdown, Parking, Fueling, Fire, Environment, Loading and Unloading for Transport, On-Site Orientation, Review. Enjoy this training program. Learn from it, and you'll be able to do your job professionally and safely.